Hello, Japanese woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. First, let me say thanks to all our subscribers. We hit the 50 subscriber mark and over 1,000 views, and that may not sound like a lot, but we have to start somewhere. So please like and subscribe. Today, I'm unboxing a couple of prints I bought from Fuji Arts. Let's see what we have here. Beautiful. This first print is from Kunichika's 32 Fashionable Physiognomies, or 32 Types of Women. Each design in this series shows a beautiful woman in a scene from daily life. This print is in really great condition. You can see the color is saturated and bright, and there's some embossing on her white collar. I love the simple color gradation in the background, the detail in her hair and kimono. Except for a few scuff marks and dirt, this is a really nice print. Okay, and hiding under this print is the one I really want to talk about today. It's called The Loyal Maid and Crows, from Kunichika's series 100 Roles of Baiko. Kunichika did 100 prints of the roles played by Onoe Kikugoro V. His nickname was Baiko. The role he's playing in this print is from a Kabuki play called Kagamiyama, or Mirror Mountain. It's supposed to be based on a couple of true stories, and this play is also an Onnagata. That means a woman's play. The irony is that men play the women's roles, which is standard in Kabuki plays. We can compare Baiko's masculine face with the face of the woman from our previous print, and you can see the difference. This Kabuki play is billed as the ultimate play about rivalry and revenge in the woman's quarters of a samurai mansion. The woman is the loyal maid Ohatsu, and her mistress Onoe sends her out at night to mail a letter in an elegant lacquer box. You can see it wrapped up here. But along the way, her servant is upset by all the bad omens she sees, including a lantern going out and crows cawing. She is caught in a street fight and the lacquer box falls to the ground, revealing Onoe's suicide note. She rushes back to her mistress, but it's too late. She's already dead. Of course, there's much more to the story than this, and you can Google Kagamiyama Kabuki to get the full synopsis. And there we have it, 2 more Kunichika prints from my collection. Happy collecting!